E cell is called electromotive force. Electromotive force. E cell develops developed due to potential difference between cathode and anode. So when we are connecting cells, just now we discussed in Daniel cell, when zinc and copper is connected, electricity started producing and ammeter is given a reading 1.1 volts. That 1.1 volt is the potential difference between the zinc and copper. Just now we discussed about previous topic. Zinc and copper Daniel cell we discussed. The ammeter is showing the voltage difference, that EMF is 1.1 volts. That is potential difference between the zinc and copper, anode and cathode. The difference is called E cell or electromotive force, EMF. So generally, when both anode and cathode happening, at anode it is happening oxidation. At cathode, reduction happening. Where anode oxidation means we have taken Zn, like atom converts into ion. Reduction means ion converts into atom. This we call reduction potential. A/A plus will be called, oxidation potential, OP. Here you will represent this is EB plus XB will be called reduction potential. So EMF means potential difference between anode and cathode. At anode electrode, potential difference we are calling oxidation potential. Cathode reduction happening, at cathode potential difference will be called reduction potential. So E cell equals to EMF, cell potential equals to oxidation potential plus reduction potential. Oxidation potential plus reduction potential. For example, A undergoing in A plus by loss of one electron. Here I will write it is electrode potential, oxidation potential is equal to X I am taking. If the same reaction, if I mention like A plus accepting one electron becoming A. Here what is happening? A plus accepting electron, it is called reduction potential. Reduction potential what becomes here? Minus X. So from this what we can write, oxidation potential is exactly equals to minus reduction potential. This is very important one. Oxidation potential is exactly equals to minus reduction potential. Now this you remember, here again we will come back. E cell is equals to oxidation potential. Where the oxidation will happen actually? At anode will happen. Oxidation potential of anode plus reduction potential of cathode. But we know that oxidation potential is equals to minus reduction potential. So this I will substitute here. If this one if I substitute here, this can be written minus reduction potential of anode plus reduction potential of cathode. This is one formula, sir. There is no doubt at all. There are three formulas. Based on the given question we have to use. So second case what I am doing, in place of oxidation potential I am substituting this one, minus reduction potential. If you substitute, it can be written like E cell equals to reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. Reduction potential of anode. Okay. Now again another formula also will be given. This is second. If the values are given like this, a plus a slash a plus is equal to x, e b slash b plus is equal to y given. The reaction happening between these both, but both also what I have given, a became a plus oxidation, b became b plus also oxidation. I have given both oxidation potential only. Then how to write E cell actually? E cell is equal to, here look at, oxidation potential plus reduction potential. If reduction potential this is Rp, what we can write, Rp is equal to minus OP. So here this equation becomes oxidation potential of anode minus oxidation potential of cathode. This is another one formula. When both are oxidation potentials are given, one oxidation potential, one reduction potential, not a problem. Oxidation potential of anode plus reduction potential of cathode. If both the electrode reduction potentials are given, when both the electrodes are reduction potential values are given, then E cell is equals to reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. If both oxidation potentials only given, when both oxidation potentials are given, the E cell formula becomes oxidation potential of anode minus oxidation potential of cathode. If same formulas will come, then the standard condition given. If cell at standard conditions, if cell at standard conditions are given. Standard condition means what? At 1 molar concentration, at 1 atmosphere pressure, at 25 degrees Celsius will be called standard condition. At standard condition, the potential difference between two electrodes will be called as a standard cell potential. Cell potential, standard cell potential. Electrode potential, standard electrode potential. Difference what? Only we will put naught. So here, EMF will be denoted as a E naught cell. So E naught cell is equal to E naught anode plus E naught cathode. What is this? E naught OP. SOP I will write otherwise. Instead of E naught, we will make SOP of anode plus ROP, standard reduction potential, SRP of cathode. This is one formula. If both reduction potential values are given, what it becomes? E naught cell is equal to SRP of cathode, standard reduction potential of cathode minus SRP of anode. First one oxidation potential, reduction potential. Second case both given reduction. Third case, if both given oxidation potential only, then it becomes SOP of anode minus SOP of cathode. But remember, most of the cases in our syllabus or our problems, always they give with reduction potential formulas only. Only with reduction potential formulas only we will get. If possible, you remember 3. If not possible, no, remember only one, that is this one. E naught cell is equals to standard reduction potential of cathode minus standard reduction potential of anode. If by chance given both oxidation potential, use this formula. If you are not interested, then you convert them. Oxidation potential you convert into reduction potential. Zn plus 2 becoming into Zn. It is a reduction potential value. So what we can write here, if it is a standard one, E naught Zn plus 2 slash Zn is equals to 0.74 I have given. Then what will be its oxidation potential value? E naught Zn slash Zn plus 2 is equal to minus 0.74. You change it and you proceed, use any one of the formula, but give priority only for this. E cell is equal to standard reduction potential of cathode minus standard reduction potential of anode. If not, E cell is equal to reduction potential of cathode minus reduction potential of anode. And we will see how to calculate it first. But before knowing how to calculate E cell or E naught cell, we should know how to find standard reduction potential value. In the Daniell cell, we have got only cell potential, that 1.1 volt. That gives only cell potential, difference between two electrodes, but what is the potential difference of each electrode, it will not give. To understand that, the new concepts are introduced, which is standard hydrogen electrode, that we will discuss.